For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4Gen5.com. This is the 2020 Toyota Rav4 Adventure, and today we upgrade the door speakers. This is compatible with all trims of the Rav4 lineup that have the basic 6-speaker system. It may work with the upgraded JBL system, but I didn't pay stupid money for that upgrade, so I don't know. You'll need to remove the door panels first. See link in the description on how to do that step. We will be installing 6.5-inch JBL club speakers. You can use almost any 6.5-inch speakers for these Rav4s. Remember, you can see detailed pictures and instructions at Rav4Gen5.com. We will go over 2 ways of installing these new speakers. First method is by reusing the factory speaker mount. This is less recommended, but it will get the job done and save you about $20 to $30. Cut out the speaker cone along the inner edges of the mount. Cut the plastic that holds the speaker in place, located behind the actual speaker. Remove the speaker and clean out the extra plastic that you couldn't reach before. Here is the factory speakers. You can see more detailed pictures of this on the website. I did my own wiring with 12-gauge copper stranded wires, but you can purchase a compatible wire harness to connect directly to the speakers. Link to the description. We will use the speaker wire port from the factory to run our wires. You may need to expand this port depending on your wire gauge size. The factory speaker mounts are not ideal for aftermarket speakers. I highly recommend adding strong double-sided adhesive tape to keep the speakers in place. You'll need some screw fasteners as well. These were picked up at Home Depot. You will need to screw the speakers into the mount in specific locations that have plastic support. One of the speaker holes do not align well with any of the plastic support. If you are not buying a wire harness, you'll need to purchase lever nut connectors. The Toyota wires are aluminum and cannot be soldered to copper speaker wires. Take note that the white cable from Toyota is negative. I am installing a 3-way lever connector here because in the future I will tap into these wires for my amp and sub. Next we will go over how to install with aftermarket speaker mounts. Links to these are in the description. To install, you need to remove the Toyota speaker mounts. They are held in place by rivets and need to be drilled out. Drill all 3 rivets out and remove the mount from the door frame. I use these screws from Home Depot to install the speaker mounts to the door. Drill holes on the side of the mount to run your wires. Apply seal around the mounts that usually come with the speakers. Screw speakers onto the mounts that also usually come with the speakers. Connect wires and you're done. For step-by-step instructions and pictures, visit Rav4Gen5.com.